Hello viewers, Cristiano Ronaldo flies in style. Al Nassr star buys stunning new $75 million private jet capable of reaching 610 meters per hour and big enough to seat 19 passengers. Cristiano Ronaldo is a man that has grown accustomed to the finer things in life, with the Portuguese treating himself to a new Euro 75 million jet. Portuguese treats himself to new plane, can travel with friends and family. Jet includes beds, kitchen and Wi-Fi. The five-time Ballon d'Or winner has ensured that he will continue to travel in style when heading out of the Middle East, where he is currently turning out for Saudi Pro League of outfit Al Nassr. The 39-year-old had been the owner of a $24 million Gulfstream G200. According to the Turkish news outlet Daily Sabah, Ronaldo has parted with that mode of transport and upgraded to the Gulfstream. Said jet comes with a hefty price tag and can reportedly reach speeds of up to 610 meters per hour. The plane in question can accommodate up to 19 passengers, meaning that Ronaldo's partner Georgina Rodriguez and their children can join him on his travels. There is capacity for 10 of the travelers on board to make use of sleeping facilities. It also equipped with an impressive range of amenities, which includes Wi-Fi, telephone, electric oven, microwave, multimedia system and refrigerator. There is also storage for Ronaldo and Georgina's designer clothes outside of any suitcases that are taken with them. Ronaldo's elaborate new purchase is adorned with his CR initials and a silhouette of his iconic CEO goal celebration pose. The jet is designed for intercontinental travel, meaning that the Portugal international can use it when moving between commitments with club and country. Cristiano Ronaldo breaks the bank for 610 meters per hour private jet flies to Saudi Arabia in style. Cristiano Ronaldo also has won 33 trophies during his career, consisting of 7 league titles, 5 Champions League, Euro 2016 and Nation League. Known for his extravagant lifestyle, Cristiano Ronaldo is currently in the swan song phase of his career. The Portugal international is currently playing his trade with Saudi Pro League side Al Nassr. During his glittering career in Europe, Ronaldo won 5 Ballon d'Or awards, record their UEFA Men's Player of the Year awards, 4 European Golden Shoes, and was also adjudged 5 times as the FIFA Best Player, the most by the European footballer. Ronaldo also has won 33 trophies during his career, consisting of 7 league titles, 5 Champions Leagues, Euro 2016 and the Nation League. Also read Australian Open 2025. Jannik Sinner begins title defense with a straight set win. Few months ago, Ronaldo sold his private jet, a Gulfstream G200 that he had bought for 20 million euros in 2015. Now he has added a new private jet to his family, a Bombardier Global Express 6500 model. The new private jet is black in color and was used by the former Manchester United star during his recent holiday in Lapland. From the Finnish city, he flew to Saudi Arabia. The jet has a capacity of 17 passengers and also provided a private suite and another with a separate shower. Meanwhile, the jet also has the logo and silhouette of Ronaldo celebrating a goal in his own characteristic manner. The jet can reach speeds of up to 6 to 10 meters per hour and reportedly is priced at 50 million euros. Ronaldo signed for Al Nassr after the 2022 World Cup, agreeing to a contract until 2025. He is reportedly receiving 200 million euros per year, including a guaranteed salary of 90 million euros with the commercial and sponsorship deals covering the rest. He was ranked the world's highest paid athlete by Forbes in 2016, 2017, and 2023 and 2024, and also the world's most famous athlete by ESPN from 2016 to 2019. He also owns a fashion boutique under the name CR7 on the island of the Madeira in 2006 and opened a second in Lisbon in 2008. He expanded his CR7 brand in 2014 by launching a line of shirts and shoes, and then in 2015 released his own perfume. Nishesh Basewerde 19 gave a major scare to Novak Djokovic in the first round of the Australian Open. USA's Nishesh Basewerde won the first set 6 to create pressure on the 37-year-old and his coach Andy Murray. However, the Serbian showed why he is the best in the business as he staged a remarkable comeback to win the match. After progressing to second round, Djokovic was all praised for the Indian origin American, saying the latter was a better player for a set and a half. The 10-time Australian Open champion said Nishesh deserves every bit of applause for raising his game on the big stage. In the end, it was great. He was a better player for a set and a half. He deserves every bit of applause he got when exiting the court. Djokovic said after the win, "It was a good performance. To be really honest with you, I have never seen him play up to 2 and 3 days ago. I didn't know much about him," he added. Djokovic candidly admitted that he knew little about his opponent. The Serbian also wished the youngster good luck for the rest of his career. This kind of matchups are always tricky and dangerous. You are playing somebody who have nothing to lose, just a very complete player, pleasantly surprised with all of his shots. "Wish him all the best for the rest of his career," said Djokovic. For the uninitiated, Nishesh was born on May 2005 in Newport Beach, California. He is the son of two Indians, Morali Krishna and Sai Prasna from Nalore, Andhra Pradesh. Nishish's parents moved to the US in 1999 and the 19-year-old turned pro in December 2024 following a dominant season in the ATP Challenger 4. Denmark captain Simon Kjær has announced his retirement despite offers to continue playing. Former Denmark captain Simon Kjær formally retired from soccer Monday despite offers to continue playing since he left AC Milan as a free agent last year. Kjær will perhaps be best remembered as the captain who rushed to Christian Eriksen